Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a professional portfolio for free using MyFolio Tech. First, go to Google and search for MyFolio Tech. Then click on the first website link. After opening the site, click on Sign Up and log in using your Google account. Once you're logged in, click on Create Portfolio. Now enter your personal details, add your skills, projects, contact information, and social media links. After filling in all the details, click on Create. And wow! Your portfolio is automatically published. Here is your portfolio link. Copy this link and paste it into a new browser tab. Now you can see your actual live portfolio website. You can come back to the dashboard anytime to edit your portfolio, add more details, customize it the way you want, check the preview, and then click Publish to update your site and make it more beautiful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please visit my website. The link is in the pinned comment section. Share this with your friends who want to build their own portfolio. If you want the source code for this website, please contact me at vishnu241206@gmail.com. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.